Did you know 2025 marks the 10-year anniversary of Microsoft Power BI? To celebrate a decade of data innovation, Microsoft delivered milestone moments and feature breakthroughs that truly made 2025 a year to remember. Here are some of the highlights. Leveling up the Power BI community. Power BI launched a 2-month learning bonanza with discounted certification vouchers, a nostalgic startup experience in Power BI Desktop, and the Power BI Data Viz Championships, a global competition celebrating data storytelling by the community. Build once, model anywhere. Users can now create and edit semantic models directly in the Power BI service, achieving true parity with Power BI Desktop. This enables end-to-end development in the browser and empowers more users, including those on Mac OS. From insight to action, inside the report. With translytical task flows, users can now take action directly from reports, writing data back to source systems and turning insights into outcomes without leaving the experience. Ask questions, get answers, instantly. Power BI introduced a full-screen chat with your data experience, allowing users to ask natural language questions and receive instant, secure answers from their reports, datasets, and apps. Your files, now analytics ready. OneDrive and SharePoint shortcuts in OneLake, previewed, make it easy to analyze familiar files, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDFs, alongside structured data, creating a single source of business context without duplication. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.